Welcome to this course on Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 is Microsoft's cloud-based productivity tool which incorporates online services with online apps, desktop apps and other Microsoft tools. In this course, you'll explore Microsoft 365 and how to get started with basic tasks. You'll become familiar with the apps and services included in a business subscription, file storage with OneDrive, and how to manage your own profile, account and security. By the end of this course, you'll be able to navigate your Microsoft accounts, including logging in and out, find help with tasks and modify basic account settings, and use the desktop apps and services available with a Microsoft 365 subscription. Microsoft 365 is used in many organizations all over the world. It contains a great selection of useful business tools that help organizations in their day-to-day tasks. As a publisher, Westcal rely heavily on Microsoft 365 applications, particularly Microsoft Word. Thomas is leveling up within Westcal by developing his Microsoft Word skills. But before he gets working on any Word-based projects, he first needs to develop familiarity with Microsoft 365. This includes managing his account and exploring the different ways in which he can use Microsoft 365 services. Thankfully for Thomas, working with Microsoft 365 and its applications is easy. Over the course of this lesson, you'll discover how typical users like Thomas can make the most of Microsoft 365. You'll do this by exploring the answers to some basic questions around the service, such as, what is Microsoft 365? What's included in Microsoft 365? And what are the requirements for Microsoft 365? And you'll also discover the answers to some other frequently asked questions. So now it's time to get started with the basics. Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based and online or cloud version of the popular Microsoft suite of software. As Microsoft 365 is cloud-based, you can connect to it using a browser. As soon as you set up an account, everything is online and ready to be used. So what does Microsoft 365 offer its users? Microsoft 365 offers online and desktop versions of popular Office applications. Some commonly used examples of these applications include Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and other apps such as Outlook, Teams and OneNote. The service also includes other useful tools that you can use to boost collaboration with your team. Multiple people can work on the same document at the same time using co-authoring features. You can also send instant messages, as well as communicate through voice and video chat. All your documents are saved online to the cloud, so you don't run the risk of issues with local disks. You can access all your files from anywhere with an internet connection, freeing you from your desktop. Finally, Microsoft 365 is also configured to work with most smartphones and tablets to offer a true portable workspace.